welcome our father, Adeyeye, Today is a very wonderful day that we have in our midst. Our Father,
Your Imperial Majesty and good people of the ancient Ife Empire, on behalf of myself and the peace-loving people of the great Yoruba kingdom, Your Imperial Majesty, we are short of words, but from what you have seen since we came into this ancient kingdom today, has only portrayed that you just can have but one leader. Traditionally, you are leading. Culturally, you are leading. Spiritually, you are also leading. Like I said at the other hall, synergy is what is needed. What has been indicated here this evening is a true reflection of the rich cultural heritage of the great Ife people. To God be the glory. I will say you well to the entire people of the Nigerian South region. This gift I will dedicate to the glory of God and the service to humanity. What has been displayed to us as a stage play is a true reflection of the rich historical antecedent of this great kingdom. I did much in history. I did much about the Arole. I did much about the Udurhie. I did much about the Oyo Empire and the entire Ashanti Empire and the entire historical antecedent of this country. I'm grateful for this very symbolic gift. We are grateful, we are honored, we give God the glory. Ìwé ìbáwádó Ojaja kábíyèsí long live you reign. Thank you very much.
please let's say kábíyèsí.